Afternoon, everybody. How you doing? I'm Carl. Welcome in. So, welcome to the last part of the mini series. Hope you've been enjoying the whole series. We've done 5 parts now. This is part 5. So, if you haven't seen them, better to start at the beginning. You can see what we started with and what we got now. But it's a roasting day, so I'll come over in the afternoon. Just got a bit of shade across the top of the buildings here from the sun, so I'm gonna do the other couple of compounds and do most of it off camera, just show you a few little bits, and then we'll wax and polish and wax on, get some shine around the tyres and sort of this black trim and stuff like that, and really get it done, get the dash done inside. And really we want to wrap up this car today, really. We want it all finished. So we've got about 6 hours till dark. So I'm going to really push it and let's get this one finished. Welcome in. Let's go. Yeah! Ooh, so as you saw, just whipped around the car, got the last couple of fine compounds done. I'll show you one, and I've done the other one off camera. Ooh, I'm really hot. It's absolutely cooking out there. Car's starting to look pretty good there. Next thing to do is get the windows and stuff like that sorted out, and then we'll be doing a wax, and then we can start doing the black trim. So we're certainly getting on pretty quick now. Wish I could do it at the speed I show you in the video, but obviously that's on times 5 times 6, whatever. It's a lot faster than what I was doing it. Probably took me about an hour to go right around the car. So not bad. And it's looking pretty good. Oh, right. Back in a minute. Okay, so I polished the whole car off camera because you've seen me go around quite a few times now. And I was saying myself, it's looking pretty good. Now it's time to get a full coat of wax on it to seal up everything, all the hard work we've done. Okay, so as you saw, we've given it a really good polish all the way around. So I didn't show it because you've seen me go around on the first couple of compounds. So now there's a couple of bits where I'm just going to touch in. There's a couple of stone chips, a couple of little edgy bits on the edge of the doors, tiny little scratch on the boot, and a couple of stone chips on the bonnet. So I'm going to do them first. And then it's a case of sealing everything up with the old wax. And then we're going to see what we can do with this black trim. Hopefully we can make it shine like brand new. Got to do the dash, the rubbers around the edge of the doors and that sort of thing, door cards, all that sort of stuff. So let's get busy again. Okay everyone, so we've been through all the dash, all the door cards, done all the rubber seals around the roof, around the inner door shuts, around the doors. We've done all the tyres, we've done all the black trim, we've done under the bonnet. We've been absolutely all over, and yep, she's pretty much finished. So we're going to take it for a little spin, get a photo shoot, and she's going to be all done. So there you go everyone, this one's finished. Starting to look quite a nice car now, as you probably saw in the bit before this. Please leave in the comments below underneath what you think. Do you think we've done a good job, made it look nicer? Drives really good now, all the repairs we've done and stuff are really good. Sitting here gurgling away quite nicely. Intake sounds okay. The new wheels and the wide tyres and that are really good for grip and stuff like that, and it's steering really nicely. That's pretty good. So that's going to be the end of this one. So thanks for coming in, really appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed the whole series, and I'll see you all in another one. Thanks a lot for watching. See you again. Bye for now.